This is Mike at MPC Stuff. Today we're just showing you real quickly. It's a very easy install on the Roland SP404 MKII. We have the silver top plate. These are the only ones that we have in stock for now, but we are going to be getting more colors. It's really simple. Just got a hex tool here, and you're going to remove each of these screws on the top plate. All right, it's pretty simple. Now that we have the old faceplate off, we're just going to replace the new faceplate. And just like we did when we took them off, we're now going to take our screws and put them back in. Just don't over tighten them. You can get these casings on mpcstuff.com.